Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to model a gyroid minimal surface. So let's get started. First, go to create polygon primitives. Take a polygon cube. Increase the cube width, height and depth to 10. Subdivision width, height and depth to 4. Press enter. Now press spacebar on your keyboard. Go to top view. Go to create curve tool. Select 3-point circular arc. Now press V on your keyboard and click one point here, another at the middle, another here, and also another here. Now press enter. Go to perspective view. Now select move tool. Press D or insert key on your keyboard. Select the curve. Press D or insert key on your keyboard. Now press V to snap the pivot point just here at the center of the curve. Again press D or insert key, D for Windows and insert key for Mac. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the curve and press V to snap it here. Now rotate the curve. Type here Y 90 degree. Sorry, minus X 90 degree. Type here Y 0 degree. Select these two curves. Go to modify, click freeze transformation. Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the curve and press V to snap it here and rotate it. Type here 90 degree. Type 90 degree along Z axis. Again go to modify, click freeze transformation, turn off the grid. Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and press V to snap the curve just here and rotate 90 degree along Y axis. Again type minus 180 degree along Y axis. See? Now again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the curve. Select move tool, press V to snap the curve just here. Rotate the curve 0 degree. Again rotate it. Minus 450 degree. Again go to modify, freeze transformation. Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the curve and press V to snap it just here. And rotate minus 90 degree along x-axis. And type minus 270 degree along z-axis. Now select the cube and hide it and rename the cube as guide, GUIDE, and press H to hide the cube. Again turn on the grid. Now press spacebar on your keyboard and go to front view. Now select this curve, right click, click edit point. This is very important. Now go to create curve tool, select 2-point curve tool or 2-point circular arc. Press V on your keyboard and create 1 point just at the point of the upper point of this curve. This is very important, otherwise your viral tool will not work, surface viral tool will not work. This is very important, very important. Now press X on your keyboard to turn on snap to grid option and create 1 point here at the center of the grid. Now select this one, not this one. If you select this, it will flip the curve. Select this one and move it just like this. Press enter on your keyboard. Now go to perspective view. Select your tool. Now press D or insert key. Press X to turn on snap to grid option and snap it at the center of the grid. Now select all the curve. Go to modify, click freeze transformation. Select all the curve and deselect this one. Press D or insert key. Press X to snap the pivot point at the center of the grid. Again press D or insert key on your keyboard. Now select this curve. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rotate it minus 180 degree along z-axis. Select these two curves. Press Ctrl plus Z to create a group and rename this group as first and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and rotate it 90 degree along y-axis. And also -90 degree along y-axis. Sorry, 0 degree. Type here 90 degree. Ctrl G to undo. Rotate it Type here minus 90 degree, here 0 degree, here 90 degree. Sorry, type minus 90 degree along x-axis and 0 degree along y-axis and 90 degree along z-axis. Select these two group, go to modify, click freeze transformation. Now select, rename this one as second. And press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rename this one as third. And rotate it. This time type here 90 degree. Minus Z type here 90. Sorry. Type here 180 degree. Or minus 180 degree. Here minus 90 degree. And along y-axis type here 90 degree. Sorry, 0 degree is right. Type here 90 or only 90. Sorry. Type here 0 degree and along y-axis type here 90 degree. I think this is correct. Now select all these three group, go to modify, click freeze transformation. See the curve which I created in this process. Now to convert this curve into a surface, go to surface, Biral tool, open Biral 2 tool option, go to edit, reset the setting, select transform control proportional, output geometry to polygon, not NURBS. Types select quad and tessellation method select here general and select here per surface isoparam, type here 7 and also here 7 and change this to per surface of isoparam. Go down, nothing is to be changed. Select Biral 2 tool. First deselect all, select the Biral 2 tool, select this one from inwards to outwards, select just which I show you in process, select just like this and this one and also this one. See the process. Press H to hide or first rename this one surface, hide this one, select this and also this curve and also this curve and rename this one as A6. Now unhide all the surface, hide all your curve, select all, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, See the orientation. The orientation is complicated, so I leave this just like this. This is the basic of creating a gyroid minimal surface. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.